What's going on, guys? In this video, I'm going to take off the 885 head and rebuild it and put it back on, and hopefully there's no broken engine pieces in my cylinder, but there might be a valve in there. I guess we'll see. If you guys haven't seen the last video I posted, that's the video where I dropped a valve and also broke a rocker arm, which is the second one I broke. So we're gonna get to it. I gotta drain all the fluids, jack up the car in that order. Let's do it. Okay, so all the fluid's drained. Ian's on his way over and he's gonna give me a hand. But so far, what I gotta do is take everything off the head so I can remove it and see what the damage is. So I'm gonna take off probably take that off after, and I'm gonna try to use leave the exhaust manifold on there too and just disconnect the downpipe. But I'll see if that's even possible, trying to pull the thing off or not. But yeah, I'll start taking it apart. Hey,
Jesus!
Yes.
Not the vinyl, not the vinyl.
Which you're gonna have to replace. This is our one thing. I don't care. Listen, over. I'm not listening to anything right now. I want this off. Yeah, keep doing this. Yeah. Do you feel that close back down? Yeah, what? Do you think it's being grabbed by something? I'm trying this. It's not working, right?
What's attached to the front? Bro, what the fuck?
No, it's hung up on this shit.
Can you grab your end? I'm gonna lift from pry into the...
Ready?
Yep.
That's it.
Oh.
Let's put it.
Fuck, I got it.
Fucking did it. Oh my god.
Give Green, help me.
Oh, it's out.
Sup?
Pool of fluid right there.
Whew, smells terrible.
Yeah. Alright, so we managed to actually pull the head, which it was kind of a pain because we didn't want to take everything off the head because we're lazy and it was a lot of work, but we have it off and it actually doesn't look that bad. It's just a bent valve, and the bent valve ended up hitting the spark plug, and that's why the spark plug closed. The piston didn't hit the spark plug, but still the piston hit the valve. So it's totally bent in there, as you can see. And we got a new camera, so maybe I can actually zoom in on it and get some good actual footage. It'll be blurry the whole time.
Focus it.
There we go.
Where's your focus?
Well, I'll figure out how to use it. But anyways, the head's fine, and most importantly, the piston's fine. The only thing that it got hit a little bit. It wasn't terrible. So the E30 is not totaled, and you can see the Turbo Smart wastegate definitely got some crazy color. That used to be black, and now it's bronze, which I think it looks a lot cooler. What? What? I don't know. Maybe that might have caused some issues.
That's your wastegate vacuum line.
I know. That gives me all the boost now. Oh my god.
You think you might have hit a little bit of valve flow?
Dude. I might have to apologize to Island Engineering for that mishap. Maybe it was my fault.
Said this to Frank.
Yeah, but that could be the issue. But again, I broke the other rocker without that issue.
You didn't bend a valve. What makes me think this was valve float is you over boosted.
And it pushed the fucking
This is
valve
an intake valve.
in.
This is an intake valve, so you hit all the boost. Your valve, the valve springs were too weak to compensate for that, and the valve was going faster than the springs could keep up with. It fucking nicked a piston, bent the piston, snapped off the rocker retainer, and then your poor fucking rocker was like, ah, boy.
So it was probably my fault. Actually, I'm not gonna admit that. Maybe it's not. I think that could have just torn.
I think we just need better wastegate lines. I
Yeah,
have
we
a
need
metal one.
I need a metal one then.
Yeah.
Damn. Well, we learned something tonight. Jesus Christ, dude.
Dude, I'm gonna wake Matt up to tell him.
I need a fisheye lens for this thing. This is way too, like, close.
Well, now all the money you saved on your head rebuild.
True. Yeah, you just got a bent valve, dog. I don't know. Dude, like, it's easy to.
You've
say
broken
from-
two, but
I know I've broken two.
it's not my money then.
This one's my fucking fault. My God, dude.
I mean, this is really crispy. Feel that.
It is. No,
So I wonder if this was just getting so hot that
that just
dried
fucking
out.
shut the thing and then it just broke off.
Yeah. Dude, I would have killed to see your boost gauge on that run.
Dude. Well, what do I do? So do I go save money and put more Island Engineering rocket arms in, or do I just go balling out?
$600 for the Canon ones. Cam.
600 versus fucking $40.
Well, the metric remaining ones are 50 a piece.
I only need one though. I don't know. Dude, like, it's easy to.
You've
say
broken
from-
two, but
I know I've broken two.
it's not my money then.
This one's my fucking fault. My God, dude.
I mean, this is really crispy. Feel that.
It is. No,
So I wonder if this was just getting so hot that
that just
dried
fucking
out.
shut the thing and then it just broke off.
Yeah. Dude, I would have killed to see your boost gauge on that run.
Dude. All right, so we figured out what the issue was and why it happened. Now you just got to rebuild the head and clean the block, put it back together, get a nice tune, and that way this won't happen again. Also, going to get a metal vacuum line for my wastegate so it doesn't, do that again. Yeah, please like, subscribe, comment below, and thanks for watching, guys. See you at the track.